Got a metal lid off something.
2 little keys.
And 2 scrapmen.
Yeah. The pole.
Bit of plastic fencing. Oh, I nearly got blown away then.
Looks like brass, but I can assure you it's steel. An old Pramwell. Well, it's almost a rider. Paul's bike fine, look. And AJ's almost got it to ride. So, but the bell works, don't it, AJ?
Got a bottle tag. I've got loads of chain wrapped around my magnet. That's going to be fun. And a set of handlebars. I've got a fuel tank or something. Sorry?
Christmas present.
More blooming bikes, that's all you get out of it. Yeah, it's been nicked, look, still locked up. Still got some air in the tyres.
Disc brakes in that.
There we go, got another bike.
Right, mate.
Yeah.
Microphone here. Can you see me?
I can see you, yeah.
Right, so this knife was found in Coventry when, well, AJ found this in Coventry when I was out with the Kingfisher. But when I went to press record on my camera, I failed. So it never got filmed coming out, so there was no footage. So I brought it with us today just because it's such a nice find. And if Nigel can tell me what you can read, you should be able to read Abraham someone, his name there.
Oh, hang on, right, down, in. Keep going, I'll refocus you on you. I think down. There we go. Hang on, I'm going to zoom in. There we go. Right, you have to stop wobbling though. Yes.
The wind
Abram, down, 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 down. Abram, something.
When you Google what I'm going to show you next, which is every blade has the picture of a cannon on it with the word Defiance underneath.
Ah, yes, got that.
Yeah.
Come down a bit though.
So when you Google that and you find the company that was based in Sheffield that made these, they were specialised in folding cutlery and knives, and they were made. This guy bought the company out in 1850 when the previous owner died. So the knife comes back to 1850 and it still works absolutely perfect. And it's such a cool find that I just thought it needed to go on camera. So from Coventry, the day we found the catch machine with the Kingfisher guys.
Which you haven't seen yet.
Not from our footage,
No.
but they posted their
Right,
video.
okay.
So there you go, lovely little knife.
Nice find.
I think he's on the phone to Jamie.
I got deshackle. Bit of hollow bar and a bit of solid bar. A rod rest. I think somebody had a bad day and bent it and chucked it in. Little orange wheel. It's got metal in it.
Strap off comes out backwards.
But no bag.
Is that an old cowbell from the cattle market? An old cowbell from the cattle market.
Yeah. So there used to be a cattle market here. Bring it in, bring it in.
Still in your handlebars.
Aaron might have found himself a cowbell. Okay, fair enough. I've got a set of cutters. So I've got a big bar and got that on the end of it. Strange. Got a pair of boxer shorts. Tin of something. And an old Nokia mobile phone. Probably still works. Aaron, I'll take that with you. So it's only a bit of pipe. Got a bit of pipe, just winding Aaron up. But yeah, so we've got a pipe, it's got threaded end bits on it.
You've got no fancy blue side cutters.
I know!
No, pliers, sorry.
And they're working. There we go. Some Northants blue side cutters. Just need a bit of lubing up.
Cheers. Thank you. Have a good day.
Oh, I've got a paddle.
Is that wood?
No. The end is. Oh. It's metal. Yeah. You've heard that saying, up without a paddle. Well, I've got the paddle. So yeah, I've got myself, and it's actually metal handle. They're normally wood, but this is actually a metal handled paddle. That's different. And I've got a knife. Got myself a high heel shoe. See if I can find the other one. So that's top of a pair of headphones, that's the headband with the padding on. A wheel of some description and a chab can. Bit of rebar. So you know I found this, right, this paddle, which is unusual. Guess what?
I got one too.
So we're not up creek without a paddle, we're up creek with a pair of paddles. Brilliant. Can of paint. I've got a rainbow in the clouds. Bit of bar. Rebar, poles, bit of a bike rim, bracket, and more rebar. So, got a bike lock and a bike lock. Oh, and a bike lock. Let's go some bike brakes and an umbrella. Nah. So there we go. I've got another one of those light ale cans that we had before while we was here. It's kind of cool. I've got an ever ready battery. I've got a spring. I've got some bars. I've got a seat insert and just a square bit of metal. Apparently road ahead closed. Metal plate. Piece of bar and a security post with the key in it.
I watch these guys in America do all this. But they pull out.
Bit of square bar, two rebar fence pins. Some sort of cash box and a wheel on an axle. Harris fence foot, sash window weight, rebar hoop, got a tyre lever, half a sash window weight, and a piece of a push-out, I believe. Fence pin, some sort of weird pliers and a bit of plate. Empty cash box, a shoe, and a bent bit of bar. Set of vice grips. And a rowing machine next to a rowing club. There we go. Oh, padlock, a combination padlock, top of a rod rest, some fishing lures, shop security tag, Mr. T starter kit, very magnetic though, and an aqua pop top piece. Hey? Yeah. Been a few of these over here. Go another pair of bolt croppers. There's been a few of them come out of here, but as you can see, there's been plenty of bolt locks come out of here. So nice pair of bolt croppers. They don't meet, so they try to obviously cut some too big. Fence pin and a scooter. So first I got my jack handle, then I got Jack as well, so they're reunited at last. There we go, Jack and handle. So Ben got a stabby. It's looking a bit tired for itself now, that is, but big old knife. And he's got a key as well. I've got another cream deluxe and a piece of bar. I've got a wheel.
Big chain on a concrete block.
All right.
To stop that flowing away. It's a quick put it back.
Talking of chain, I've got a lump of chain. And ooh, got a nice jacket for you, Terry.
You can keep it. Put them there.
Nah, do you, that will.
No, you're alright. There's glasses here. Someone with kids saying to us.
Bike chain. More bike chain. And rebar. Bike frame and a fence pin. A wheel and a crank handle. Bit of a valve block. A super wrench, so adjustable spanner, still works. The remains of some glasses. They're proper rotten, but the lenses are still in there. Better add an old cash box as well. Another old drinks can, not sure what it is because you can't really read it. There was more than that. Oh, strapping. That's really rare for this area. Bit of bar, some old hose. That looks like an old burner ring of a cooker. Don't think it's a tap wheel, I think it's a burner ring. There we go. Old heart-shaped padlock. It's a nice one. Remains of a penknife. You can see the brass pins in the end, all the wood's rotted away. It's a press, isn't it?
Did that come from the beer factory?
It's for cutting.
Yeah, twist that and then that
Yeah.
comes down.
That'll have all writing around there, I bet you. What you found, Ben? No, you're here, come here. And just make sure I can see, because it's getting dark now. You've got to press. Come in a bit, come in a bit. There we go, there we go. Yeah, slow and wind down. Whether or not it's a cutter and it cuts just there, it's kind of cool.
Yeah, I like it.
Excellent.
Cheers.
Sharp security tag. Looks like a pipe cutter. I've got a pot of face cream. The cast iron plate, unusual shape with a cast iron plate, but one of them. Ben got a shotgun shell, being fired already though. I got some keys. End of a Hoover pipe. Ah? That must have been one big barrel. That would have been a huge barrel. There we go, I've got a barrel rim. It's flipping huge, that one is.
I cannot believe it, they're still coming in.
No. Now what you found, Ben?
Well, find a trophy.
Hang on a minute, let me turn this around a bit because we've got too much sunlight there. Go there, go there. There we go. All right, bring it in, bring it in. What's the trophy for?
I ain't got a clue.
Um,
Has it got a little plaque on it? No idea.
I don't know.
Oh. Is that God?
Could be. Bring it in, bring it in. It's one of them.
Figure, isn't it?
Okay, fair enough, you got yourself that. Oh, that's unusual. It's been at least, what, 2 minutes since we had the last one? What the hell? Hey?
It is a very big valve. The same right? No, it's different. It's a pump, isn't it?
It's heavy.
Looks it. Cast iron, isn't it? It's fucking big.
Looks like it should have wheels bolted on it. Looks like a bloody axle.
But look at the top, it's got those things that cantilever out when it spins.
I've got to get the damn thing over here now. It's bloody heavy. Yeah, it's got them spinny bits. Watch me balls, don't break them off. It's got bomby box, I'll grab it in a minute. Yeah, they come up, don't they? When that's spun round, that's cool as hell, really, isn't it?
That is very cool. I don't know what the hell it is. No, it's obviously some sort of pump.
That's mine.
That's all brass.
Yeah.
Look. All that top bit's brass.
It's got balls on.
Yeah, when it's pumping, it spins round.
Oh, right, yeah.
From the brewery, you reckon? It's got to be.
Hey?
It's got to be from the brewery, isn't it?
All the top's brass, look.
Something's a pump all that, do you?
There we go, look. It's all brass. Bloody heavy. That's spring loaded. Probably pressure relief. It's kind of, you don't want to throw it away, but what are you going to do with it, sort of thing?
No, but you'll make it more bleeding boots. That needs a clean off. A bit of reset.
Fancy it? That's it.
There you go.
Right, so I've just found this. Now we think it's some sort of big valve because it's got these little balls on here. Now when that spun round, these would have come up, and as it spun about, they would have been spinning around on it. So it's made of cast iron. It's really, really heavy. Not quite sure what it is, but I bet somewhere under all this, there's probably going to be some writing. But that is one hell of a valve thing, and just imagine that it's got like that spring load at the top, so whether or not it's a pressure release valve, all the top end of it is actually brass. All this is brass. I'm pretty sure these are as well under all that rubbish, but that's kind of cool. So Paul's going to take that back and clean it up, so hopefully by the time the video comes out I'll have some pictures of it and I'll be able to show you what it looks like clean. Probably won't be able to tell you what it is, but you know, you never know, he might have his balls spinning by then. What a cool find.
Where you move back, your face ain't even in the picture.
Hey?
Just the valve where you moved.
That's alright. So there we go. That's me valve. That's pretty cool, that is. But we shall see. Paul's going to clean it up a bit. That's probably what I could see then. Because my face wasn't in it. So there ends another day. Not as we planned, because we planned on doing a lot more down there. But as you can see, it was rather clean, which is not a bad thing. So we thought, we ain't done that stretch. So we did that stretch, and that was rather clean as well. So we ended back up this stretch, which we've done for 5 weeks. But the mirror, that was really cool. The valve thing, which I'm doing the outro now, so I don't know whether Paul's cleaned it yet, so we're not identified it, but it's still kind of cool with the swinging balls and everything, a lot of brass on there. So Aaron left earlier because he's got a bad eye. AJ was proper feeling it. But Ben's here, Paul's here, Terry's here, as usual. You can't see Terry because she's lower than the camera. Actually, she's sitting down, so hang on. She's going to prove a point. Look, there we go, you can see her. But that hurt. But anyway, it's been good. I can officially say now, we're done with this stretch then, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be coming back, but still them 2 cool finds. You know, for 2 cool finds to come out still after the amount we've done it is unbelievable. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, share, do whatever you want. But it all helps the channel. Thanks for joining.